This year has been long. It was filled with hard work, worries, exciting opportunities, and happy moments. I always look forward to the Christmas holidays. As someone who lives away from family, this is the moment of the year where I get to reconnect, spend time with them, and enjoy the wholesome feeling of being a kid again, sleeping in my childhood bedroom. I always get stressed in the days before leaving London. I always act as if I was going to be away for a long time, when really it's just 2 weeks. I buy lots of Christmas presents that I can't afford because gifts are my love language, and I check in long-distance sized luggage to transport them all home. I deep clean my flat and I meet all my friends to have one last memory with them in the old year, as if I wouldn't see them again in a couple weeks' time. But most importantly, I go mad with sewing projects. I sew right up until the last minute, usually pulling a late night before the day of my flight home. It's peculiar. This year, I actually didn't plan on making a Christmas dress. I had projects lined up that were timeless and themeless, stuff you could wear any other time of the year. But then I saw this gorgeous fabric. Its crimson red color is so obviously festive, I could not make a dress for Christmas Eve with it. I chose this light pink viscose lining as a contrast to the rich red, because it felt fun. I made a Bridgerton-inspired period-on-pied dress last year. It's in white linen, so it's very much a summer dress. The moment I held the red fabric in my hands, I knew this was the perfect opportunity to make this dress I love for the colder season. So here I am, stitching together all the pieces. It felt good making something I knew, just repeating all the same steps, making a few improvements here and there. It was almost meditative in that I just enjoyed the process. That's also why I didn't speak to explain what I was doing, in case you're wondering, this isn't a tutorial. This is really just a memento. Since starting my journey as a YouTuber, I haven't really sewn just for fun. It has always been a project, it has always been a tutorial. I love showing you all what I make and taking you along. I think it's such a great opportunity to share my passion with you and hand whatever knowledge I have onto you. But this time, I just wanted to sew. No talking, just doing. And this is the result. Happy holidays.